Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Peacock TV on Samsung Smart TV. First on your Samsung Smart TV, press the power button on your remote and wait for the TV to load. Press the home button on your Samsung TV or in a remote. This opens the menu at the bottom of your screen. You can also go to the app using the remote. Scroll to the app and select it. This option opens the Samsung App Store. In the app screen, find the search icon, type Peacock TV and select it from the result. And select install or download. Wait a few moments while the app is installing. Once the download is done, select open. You can also find Peacock later in your app list. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.